Hello, how are you doing? Today's video is this eye look, and basically I use this eyeshadow palette and I did a wing line with this, the Maybelline Eyestudio eyeliner black. I barely use this, so that's the thing. My eyebrow, I use this thing. I never do my eyebrows, but let's and I am testing something because I wanted to know how it looks on camera. I was testing the green color corrector when I had my redness, so I was doing that at the same time. So I don't know if you can see green. I will see that when I edit the video that I have the big image on my computer. So let's see if this, I can see some green, probably because it's too neon like green instead of more muted. Let's start with the video. I will use this eyeshadow palette. I will use several shades of this. I will use the purple. I will use the light matte gray. I will use this shade here, and I will use this one here too. So let's start applying the first one. It's not the eyeshadow, it's actually the primer. My eyes are primed and I will apply the first shade. I will apply it slowly, layer after layer. This shade here. Oh my goodness. There we go. For me, that is the kind of tint of purple that I want to, or violet, or whatever you want to call this color, to the eye. But the next step is I will add this light gray that is matte. And I will grab again this purple, this violet. I will call it violet because it gives me more cool undertones than purple. And I will get it in the crease. Blend it a little bit the edges, just a tiny bit. And now I will pick this shade here. I will grab the purple a little bit and I will place it a tiny bit on top of the gray. I will pick a little bit of that gray and I will place it right there. Time for the eyeliner. I will do it off camera because it's just do a wing. Well, I know they're not even, but I tried to make it a little bit more thick so you can see what I've done on this eye. And I picked this shade that has some sparkle, but you need actually a wet base for the sparkle to be on your eye. So what I'm gonna do is I will set that, I don't know if you can see it, I will set it with that sparkle. It has a dark gray base. Of course, you will adjust. I try to make it more my preference, but I make it a little bit more, it's just a tiny bit bigger, just for the purpose of the video. So you can see the sparkles, right? It's not like it's a creamy texture of eyeshadow. It's more powder with some shimmer built in there, so the shimmer will go away. So that's why we need a base, so the shimmer can stay a bit longer, just locked in that wet base. So that's why I grabbed something that is more a gel eyeliner, or it could be a gel eyeliner in a pen form, or in a pencil form. I just got a pomade sort of type because it's kind of easier sometimes, maybe not, maybe you need the precision of the pencil. It depends on your preference. Well, I applied a little bit of highlighter there. I use, what I use? Oh, I have it on my lap. The Glow to Go by Essence, these two shades, but I was kind of, this is too cool toned and those shades are warm toned, so what I go with this one and place it on top of those, so make it a little bit more cool toned. And that's it. I have the eyes basically done. I'm not sure this eye, I got some transfer because I haven't set right away this, and I have hooded eye, so I need to set this right away. This is one of the things that I want to show you with this, but hold on. What if we do this and we don't like it, or we were kind of, I want something more like metallic like liner. I don't know if you can see this more metallic. I use the same palette, but I use this shade here and I wet it. I make it like a paste. And that's it. That's what I wanted to show you, that if you want something more dramatic, you can do it. Of course, that is not perfectly done. You need to take more time. Probably not once your face is done, is once your eyes are done. For parties, or for dinners, for things that can get a little bit more of a wing line with shimmer on it, and for some reason you didn't like it because, let's say, a couple of minutes in, all the sparkles are gone. Okay, plan B, metallic. And here you have all these metallics here. Some are a little bit more less metallic. It's kind of a satin metallic or a soft metallic thing. And that is what you can do. You can play with the palette. And that's what I wanted to show you this time. Sometimes I will make 2 or 3 eye looks in one video. Sometimes it's one eye look with some twist. So yes, I don't know what you think. I like the combination of the grey, silver and violet. I really like it. I also like that shade, that violet with something more gold, but I wanted to show you with one palette only the looks that you can create. Without the wing, it's for the day. With the wing, will be for the night. Even if we just get some sparkle. And this could be done with the dark base, with a light base, or without any base, just wetting the brush. So, well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you the next time.